Hello everybody, welcome to Convolution Educare YouTube channel. Today again we will discuss some more string methods in Python. Okay, so we'll start with concept of strip method. Now what is the use of the strip method? I'm explaining the strip method with the help of some code snippet. So here what I have done, I have taken a particular statement, Dr. Ambedkaran, and I've stored them in a variable called str1. Then I said what? str1 dot rstrip. Then inside the bracket, I said n. So look at the output. So output is what? Like it is becoming Dr. Ambedkar. N is gone. So what I have done with the help of rstrip method, we have deducted, we have delimited the last character. We have removed the last character, which is n. So with the help of rstrip method, what we can do, if I want to remove any character from a statement from the right hand side, extreme right hand side, in that case we will be using the rstrip method. Next, take one more example, str2 equal to Baba Saheb. Look at this, see, in the left hand side I have given a space, in the right hand side also I have given a space. So in both the sides we are having a space. Then I use str2 dot rstrip. Look at the output. The output is like, see, in the left hand side we are having that space, but in the right hand side the space is removed. So this is another implementation of rstrip method to remove the space. So what I did, I have given two like space in both the like in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. But when I'm using this rstrip method, so from the right hand side, this particular step is being removed. This particular space is going to be removed. Next, take one more example like str2 equal to Baba Sahib. In the left hand as well as in the right hand side, we are having space. Now I am using L strip. So look at this. In the left hand side, there is no more space. In the right hand side, we have got the space. But in the left hand side, we have removed that particular space. So L strip, R strip, these are the particular functions of the strip method, like the strip method category, where we are going to use all these things depending on our situation. Next, see Baba Sahib. In both left hand side, we are having space, but we are using a strip method. So in this case, strip method is doing what? It is removing the space from both left as well as from the right hand side. So these are the functions. So we have seen the different applications, the functions of this R strip and L strip method. Next, come to something called split method. This is also a very interesting one. See, str1 equal to what I mentioned a date 27-12-2016. Then I said str1 dot split. Then inside the bracket under the double inverted comma I said hyphen. So look at the output. So in this case, what happens is hyphen is going to be treated as a delimiter. So when Python is finding like 27, after 27 there is a hyphen. So it is going to be delimited. So 12 is there. Again is finding after 12 you have got something called hyphen. So another, like the 16 is becoming another particular element. So this way, as an output, we are getting this thing 27, 12, 2016, one separated by comma. So split method is trying to, suppose there is a, so there's a whole word or there's a whole string like is there, and I'm going to split them with the help of a split delimiter. Here, as a delimiter, I am using the hyphen function, this particular hyphen symbol. So my output is becoming like that. See another application. Like I said, str1 dot split hyphen, then I said comma 1. Now what is happening here? See the output 27. After 27, what happened? I am getting. So I said what? 1 means what? Is going to delimitate the first one only. Then it will not take care of the rest thing. Because I said you delimitate only the first character or the first part. So first part is before this hyphen, like this finding something called 27 is there. So 27 is coming and the rest thing is not doing anything. So the output is going to remain same. Now look at this. This is another important thing. List 1, I said str1 dot split, and I said a list 2. Okay. In the previous case, what you have seen, there are 3 different parts: 27, 12, and 16. So 27 is in the 0th position, 12 in the first position, and this one is the second. So my output is something like the list 2 means what? It is going to show me the third part of this particular string. So in this case, it is becoming what? 16. Now look at another output, another example. As I said, name equal to Mohit Raj. Then I said something called split. So what is happening? Is going to split these two in two different elements, Mohit and Raj. See, no point to be noted. I did not specify anything. So by if I will not specify anything, by default is taking the space as a delimiter. So after Mohit is finding a space, then after that he is finding Raj. So first it is showing me Mohit, then it is showing me Raj as a second element. So by default, if you don't specify anything, space will be taken automatically. Next, another example I shared. I said str1 equal to 27/12/2016, and I use R split. So from the right hand side, see, before this we have got something called 2016. So let's see. In this case, what 27/12 will be an element, and after 12 we are finding what there is a hyphen. Though after that we are finding 2016. So 27/12 will be coming together, and 2016 will be coming separately. As I am using R split function, so things are happening from the right hand side, not from the left hand side. So this is what is an implementation of the split function. So this way, what we have seen some important split function, the use of if split function and all these things. Okay, hope you have enjoyed this class. Thank you.